With TimeTonic, you have the possibility to use the login of the account on which you are connected. For example, if I have tasks that are assigned to people, I can use my login to fill in the assigned to column by default. This will allow to use the filter by user ID to view only the tasks assigned to myself. In my example, I have a list of tasks that are assigned to people. In my assigned to column, I can choose in the default values, the identifier. Once applied, as soon as a new line is created, my login will be filled in automatically. To use this identifier, I can create a new view that can be called My Tasks and choose, in the filter, the assigned to column which contains the user's identifier. Here, my login is OB. And you can see that I only see the tasks assigned to OB. Now, let's take the point of view of my account, Lucas. When I create a new task, it is automatically assigned to myself. When I save, if I go to my tasks, I can see the tasks assigned to Lucas.